The number one day trading attribute that you cannot buy, that you cannot learn from any day trading course or any day trading guru. Talking about it in this video. So wait, if I just said you can't learn it from watching a video from some guru on YouTube, well, what's the point in even watching this video? I just shot myself in the foot. Well, who cares? You might as well keep watching if you want to learn more about this day trading attribute, this top secret day trading attribute that you have to. Let's just roll the tape. Roll it. What's going on, guys? Patrick here, and today I want to talk about one day trading attribute, one simple, easy. Well, wait, it's not easy. It's not simple. It's really, really hard. It's something that's going to take a lot of work, a lot of time, and, well, a lot of patience. Talking about patience and why patience is the number one. I'm telling you guys right now, it's the number one day trading attribute. I'm going to save you a lot of money. I'm going to save you a lot of heartache and a lot of time, because I'm telling you right now that patience is the number one attribute. And now patience can also be combined with discipline, and patience can also be combined with overall just focus. But at the end of the day, patience is what's going to change you. Patience is what's going to make you a better day trader. And it's going to sound crazy. I know. It sounds crazy to me to think that just simply having patience can make me more money. And we're going to talk about that kind of in this video, and overall how I've been focusing more on patience over the last 2 years. It doesn't always work. I sometimes relapse. I sometimes lose patience. And I'm definitely not the most patient person in the world. And a lot of people will tell you, you know, if you just wait, if you just have patience, good things will come in life. And that's not really how it works with day trading. But what it really works with day trading is having patience to be able to wait for the right setup, to maybe not trade, to maybe not take a day trade. Day trading, it sounds like this thing that you should be just like bam, bam, 9 to 5, right? When the market's open, I need to be trading. I need to be making money. But what I'm telling you right now, after about 3 years, it took me about 2 years to learn that having patience will actually increase my P&L. Not making a million trades will actually increase my P&L. And again, if you're a beginner day trader, that's going to sound crazy, because it seems like you need to be trading nonstop. When I first started day trading, I thought that if the market was open, that I had to be in the trades. I had to be making money. I had to be buying, selling, buy, sell. And that's what I thought. And over time, I learned pretty quickly that that is not the way to do it. That's the best way to lose money. That's the best way to blow up your account, to just be buy, sell. I know this has happened to you probably more than once. You identify a support on a chart. You're like, okay, there's the VWAP. There's everything going on here. I want to be buying at the EMAs. And you're waiting, you're watching, and then you're like, screw it, I'm going to go ahead and buy. So what happens? Let's say, okay, I'm going to buy. I'm like, ooh, what's this going on here? There's a little resistance. Okay, I'm going to wait for the pullback, and then I get some, and then I'm like, ooh, little FOMO. I'm like, oh, it looks like it wants to break. And then I end up buying right here at $139, and it pulls back down there to the support area that I was looking for anyway. And I know this has happened to you guys because it happened to me more than once, probably thousands of times, where I get the FOMO and I don't have any patience. I end up buying thinking we're going to get the breakout after I've already identified how the stock is kind of bouncing off the EMAs, is showing me support, and I'm looking at it like, ooh, well, I want to buy. And then I end up buying because I don't have any patience. I want that instant gratification. The stock pulls back to exactly where I was looking for anyway for my entry. I was looking for this pullback down to the EMAs. We get the pullback. Well, I'm already in the trade. I end up getting out for a loss, and there it is. So patience right there, my friends. Patience, waiting for your entries, identifying your support. If it doesn't come, if it doesn't happen, well, we don't trade it, and that's patience. Having patience with day trading is going to help your mental capital and also your actual financial capital for a couple different reasons. When you're not trying to trade every single minute, when you're not trying to trade nonstop, being in a trade all the time, bam, always trying to be in a trade, that mental capital is going to be expired pretty quickly. You're going to spend that mental capital much quicker than if you have patience, that if you are calm and you're focused and you're just relaxed. Honestly, some of my best trades that I've ever made came from just being patient and waiting for the right setup. Or also just being patient on the days. Like last week, I didn't trade but one day. I traded one day last week or this week or whatever it was. I traded one day. And I had no FOMO about that. There was mornings where I'd wake up, I'd see what was happening pre-market, I would look and be like, I don't like it. So I would just walk away. And in the past, when I was a beginner day trader, I would be obsessed. I would be like, I had to be on the computer. No matter what, I had to do anything and everything. I would have to pass up going out and having a good time to be on the computer in the morning because I thought that I just had to be on that computer nonstop to make money. And like I said, one thing that I've learned is that it's the exact opposite. Having that patience, having that fortitude, having that discipline will make you a better day trader over time. Because there's going to be days where you just might not see anything happening. There's going to be days where the market's slow. There's going to be days where you just want to not trade. And that's totally fine. Having that mental capital is going to make you a better trader. Less stress, spending less time focusing just nonstop on trading will actually make you come back refreshed the next day, will make you feel better about trading, will make you happier. And I think some of my best trades came from being patient, and then also some of my best just trading has come from me being in a good place mentally, having the right emotions, not being negative. Frustration is one of the worst things when it comes to trading. So again, patience, patience, patience. Now, we talked about how the mental capital is going to, help out, having a stockpile of mental capital, not burning up that mental capital, having patience. Let's talk about the financial aspect. So you've got commissions, you've got fees, you got all these things that are built to basically take your money if you're not patient. If you're just trading in and out, and even if you're right, like even if you're trading 99% correct and you're making little trades here and there, here a little bit, boom, boom, making $100, $100. What's going to happen is over time, the commissions, the fees are going to just grow and grow and grow to the point where you're like, I made $1,000 today, but I paid $500 in commissions and fees. And again, it comes back to patience. Having patience is going to help pad your wallet. At the end of the month, if you made $3,000, but you spent $2,000 in commissions, was it really worth it? Because you're spending all of that mental capital, and then you're also spending that financial capital to make $1,000, but you're spending $2,000 in commissions and fees because you're just nonstop trading in and out, bam, 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 thank you, ma'am. And that's when patience comes into play. Personally, that's what I'm working on. That's what I'm trying to become a better day trader. If I don't see something that's hot, if I don't see something that's really just making some crazy moves, it's not really showing me a lot of action, then I just walk away. And what's going to happen is the days when we have a stock that's just going crazy, when we got a lot of action, when that day comes, I'm going to have a lot of mental capital, I'm going to have a lot of focus, I'm going to have a lot of actual capital, financial capital. I'm going to have all of this stuff ready to go. I'm going to be ready to hammer, hammer, hammer. If you trade only the best setups, going into that trade, even if that setup doesn't work out, remember, even the best setups don't always work out, but if you go into that trade and the last 2 days, let's say it's Monday, Tuesday, and now it's Wednesday, you have an amazing setup. But Monday and Tuesday, you didn't force it, you didn't blow up your account, you didn't lose all your mental capital. If you make it to Wednesday, and now you're fresh, you feel good, you feel disciplined, you have fortitude, you're focused on what needs to be done, bam! It's that much easier to capitalize on that setup, the real good setups, capitalizing when a stock is hot, when the market is really showing you a lot of potential. When you see that potential, it's much easier to capitalize on that because let's say Monday and Tuesday, I was really frustrated, I was really, angry, and I ended up blowing up my account, I ended up just spending a lot of money in commissions and fees, I didn't make any money. So now Wednesday comes along, And I'm like, I'm mad. I'm mad because I really want to hammer this stock down, right? I want to make a lot of money because on Monday and Tuesday, I lost a lot of money. And then let's talk about what happens on Wednesday. Really simple. Wednesday comes along. Maybe I make a little bit of money. Maybe I don't capitalize on the full move. Maybe I take profit early because I'm like, I just want to take some of my profits and put it towards what I lost on Monday and Tuesday. I want to really just get something going here. You know, I've just been really frustrated and I'm in a bad place. I'm in a really, really bad place because Monday and Tuesday, I spent all that capital, mental capital, financial capital, everything because I didn't have any patience. Remember, patience, my friends, patience. And that's the number one day trading attribute that a lot of people aren't going to have because they're going to start day trading, they're going to blow up their account, they're going to not have any patience, and they're going to leave, and they're going to be done. This is a long-term play. Long-term play. Investing in yourself, understanding that having that discipline, having that patience is going to make you a better day trader in the long run. Remembering that this is a long-term play, my friends, long-term. So there it is, something that you won't be able to buy, something you can't just learn from a chat room, something you can't just learn from watching a video on YouTube. You got to really focus, you got to really have patience. That's what it comes down to. You got to have patience, my friends. If you don't have any patience, then what are you doing trying to make money in a game that requires people to be patient, that rewards people for being patient? It's that simple. Like Warren Buffett says, the market was created to reward patient people. So there it is. If you guys haven't already and you are new to the channel, I don't know what you're doing, hit that subscribe button. I will talk to you guys later on.